I done traveled down this road before. I done traveled down this road before.
Wish and pray.
I done traveled down this road before. I done traveled down this road before.
See where I'm from?
And I just wanna tell my side of the story. I just wanna tell my side of the story.
Prison sentence on occasion.
I just wanna tell my side of the story. I just wanna tell my side of the story.
What's going on, y'all? This is Brandon with Chatterbox Cafe right here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Today we're going to season some St. Louis style spare ribs. I have my own knives that I love to use. If any of you guys are out there looking for some good knives, 6-ear knife and tool right here out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. Really great product, and they stand behind their product. I'll let you see mine. All the knives are customs. These are the knives I like to use for trimming my meat. As you can see, we have our logos engraved in them. This is my brisket knife. It also has our logos custom engraved. It's a really great product. So how we start with our ribs, we trim the membrane off the back. That membrane allows the seasoning to penetrate the back side of the rib, and it makes it a lot more tender. So I take my fillet knife, get up under that piece of skin, just enough to. If you have paper towels, use paper towels, but have these towels that they come pick up every week, so use those. And see, that allows the seasoning to actually get to the meat. And if you've ever had a rib that you really couldn't bite through, a lot of times people get lazy and leave that on. This particular piece of meat right here, cook and kind of bulge up from the bone. It just really doesn't look appetizing, so we'll trim that off. Again, the reason why we use these is because they're uniform, they're nice, they're boxed up. That one there is pretty much done. It's pretty much the same process. If you're doing baby backs, the only rib that will probably be different is if you're using the full spare rib. It's going to have that rib tip at the top. You're going to want to pull off, and you can cook it, you can throw it away, you can put it in beans, whatever you want to do. Leave this on. It's just all personal preference, but for me, I like the way it cooks with it all. This here is some of our C-Rack City. This is our pork and rib run. This is available here at our shop on Shallowford Road, as well as online at chatterbox423.com. It's a great product on pork and ribs and even poultry. We also have a spicy version, but this is what we use on our pork here at Chatterbox. The last time we used it, we actually got a top 10 call down at Sipping Swine in Lawrenceville, Georgia, a few months ago. So, you know, I'm proud of that. So, it goes to show you can get you some calls. For those that don't know what calls is, that's when you get your name called in the competition. It usually doesn't happen unless you get top 10 in the category. I used about 10 to 12 ounces, I would say, on 3 ribs that I went really heavy on. The average person was going to get, like, say, about three slabs of ribs, a couple of pork butts out of something like this. This right here is going to be like a single use. You're going to be able to do like a pork butt. You're going to be able to do a slab of ribs. Again, these are sample packs just to kind of give you an idea on what it's going to taste like on different meats. So yeah, you're going to get like a slab of ribs, a pork butt out of the sample pack, and then you're going to get 2 to 3 of those out of the shaker. We also have a 1 pound bag that you can find online. That kind of just gives you, quite a bit of uses out of that. If it's something you like, but I suggest you start out with the sample pack of the shaker to get a feel for what it is before you invest in a 1 pound bag. Okay, so I'm going to cover these with some plastic wrap. I'm actually going to put these in the fridge overnight. This is part of our prep for tomorrow. We'll put these on first thing in the morning, and usually get them on about 7 or so, 7 or 8. They're usually coming off around 11:30, just in time to open. It gives that rub enough time to sit on the meat, and we'll put it on there, give it that real nice mahogany color. But we'll show y'all some more tomorrow. I prefer my ribs on the stick burner, which is essentially just a grill that you use wood. This here is what's called a reverse flow smoker, and I'll show you. It's called a reverse flow smoker because the firebox is over here. There's a hole to the allows the heat to travel. And plate, it comes out, and the heat comes from there, and it reverses back out, and comes up the stack. So that's why this is called a reverse flow smoker. I love it. Keep me a water pan over here because that's gonna be the hottest spot. Put some moisture in the smoking chamber, and helps to alleviate the meat from drying out. These are going to cook somewhere around 225, 250, 275. This one kind of goes up and down. Yeah, so those should be done in about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. Keep those ribs nice and moist. So we got a few of these ribs that are about ready to come off. Sometimes I wrap them, sometimes I don't. This particular smoker, I never really have to wrap. It cooks smooth, very efficient. What I look for is the bend. This right here is like, it's bending, but it's like not quite done enough. It doesn't look like it's gonna rip from being tender or anything like that. Right here, you can kind of see that one's starting to bend. That one's starting to do the same thing. That was at a nice bend. The rib has pulled back from the meat, so you kind of know. Nice color on both sides. This one right here doesn't have the pullback. That bend is there. Thick, meaty, bone is pulling back. Got the nice smoke ring right there. Nice color.